Hello guys, welcome back at Literature Hub. In today's video, we will discuss some important MCQs from the novel Pinjar by Amrita Pritam. So question 1 is that Amrita Pritam was born in 1918, 1919 or 1920. So right answer is 1919. Amrita Pritam has died in 2004, 2005 or 2006. So she has died in 2005. Amrita Pritam is considered as the first prominent female writer in dash language. Options are Gujarati, Urdu or Punjabi. So right answer is Punjabi. She is the best known for the poem Today I Invoke Varisa, Messages or none of the above. So right answer is Today I Invoke Varisa. Amrita Pritam received Padma Shri Award in the year 1968, 1969 or 1967. So right answer is 1969. In the year 1956, she became the first woman to win Sahitya Akademi Award for her great work Messages, Today I Invoke Varisa or none of the above. So right answer is Messages. Amrita Pritam's works mostly focused on partitions, domestic or civilization. So right answer is partitions. The novel Pinjar is originally written in dash language by Amrita Pritam, Gujarati, Hindi or Punjabi. So right answer is Punjabi. The novel Pinjar is translated into English language by Vijay Tandurkar, Khushwant Singh or Rajinder Singh Bedi. So right answer is Khushwant Singh. Pinjar means cage, cave or skeleton. So right answer is skeleton. Pinjar is originally published in the year 1960, 1945 or 1950. So right answer is 1950. The novel is translated into Dutch language by Danish Martins. Options are Latin, French or Greek. So right answer is French. The novel focused on the central character named Puro, Simran or Amrita. So right answer is Puro. In this novel, Puro is kidnapped by the man called Ramchand, Rashid or none of them. So right answer is Rashid. Who became the husband of Puro, Rashid, Ramchand or Premchand? So right answer is Rashid. Lajjo is the sister of Rashid, Ramchand or Puro. So right answer is Ramchand. Trilok is the brother of Puro, Rashid or Lajjo. So right answer is he is brother of Puro. Tara is the mother of Puro and Trilok, Lajjo and Ramchand, none of them. So she is mother of Puro and Trilok. Puro and Trilok's father's name is Ramlal, Mohanlal, none of them. So right answer is Mohanlal. After getting married with Rashid, Puro's name is changed as Rashida, Hamida or Hima. So her name is changed as Hamida. Novel Pinjar is adapted into the Hindi film with the same title directed by Prakash Jha, Chandra Prakash Dwivedi, Sanjay Suri. So right answer is Chandra Prakash Dwivedi. Pinjar is dash novel, partition, diasporic, both A and B. So Pinjar is partition novel. Amrita Pritam received Bharatiya Gyanpith Award for her work Messages Kagaz De Canvas Pinjar. So right answer is Kagaz De Canvas. Lajjo is engaged with Puro's brother Dash in exchange Trilok, Shlok or Ashok. Right answer is Trilok. So in exchange means Lajjo has engaged with Puro's brother and Puro engaged with Lajjo's brother before her kidnapped by Rashid. Puro's son name is Salim, Javed or none of them. So right answer is Javed.